Hello friends, welcome to another very important video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Those who are interested to know about the trainings or courses which I am going to tell you, please watch the video till the end because you will get some values from today's video. Those who are not subscribed our Telegram channel, just go and subscribe because you may lose many informations which I have already shared in our Telegram channel. So without any delay, let's start today's episode. Friends, in this video I'm going to show you or I'm going to tell you about two important trainings which will be conducted by Enable India and Prishni, and the trainings are conducted online so you can take from your home. So I will just tell you from where you can access or from where you can apply, who can apply, everything I will tell you in details in this video. So very important video. So without any delay, I am just going to my
page 1,
Telegram,
Washington, social media, open
because we
Facebook,
need to open our official
1,
Telegram channel.
Access 1.
So I have already
comment,
opened
button, 5 of 70. You can perfect. Hello everyone. Greetings.
Okay, so first is Microsoft Azure training. Okay, so let me tell you what is this. Microsoft Azure is a service, is a cloud computing service by Microsoft. Okay, so you can learn how it works and you can learn, you can work with live projects which is organized by Enable India and Prishni. So this is the post.
Hello everyone. Greetings from Enable India and Prishni. Prishni and Enable India bring fundamentals of Microsoft Azure AS 900 for persons with vision impairment. Stars.
Okay, so every details is here. Now here is a button to apply now. For this you need to create the link list.
Talkback menu.
So I'm
links.
just going to links.
Links. HTTPS.
This is our channel URL.
Click here to apply now. 2 of 2.
So if you want to apply, so then you have to click on this link. So I'm just double tapping here.
Open link. Cancel. Do you can't open?
So I'm clicking an open button.
5% progress
It will
bar.
open my open with my default
45%.
browser.
Microsoft logo : Prish collapsed. Required. 1. District
So
required.
this is the form which you need to submit to apply this course. So if you are looking for any professional course, if you want to learn something for free, you can take this course. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to get certified, so you have to pay some money. And from where do you get this link? You can get this link from our official Telegram channel. So don't forget to join our official Telegram channel. There you will get the link. Now let's come to the second post.
Hello everyone.
So let me swipe.
Course announcement.
Okay, so this is the course, second course announcement, which is employability course. Friends, I'm in the road side, so that's why you may get some others noise. So it's a very important video, that's why I'm making right now. Okay, so first course which I have just finished, which I have just told about, you have to apply within the 7th July. Okay friends, and the second course which now I am going to tell you, you have to apply I think within 10th July. Okay, so let me tell you.
Course announcement. Information provided by Accessible Computing. Share this channel with your friends to help them updated with the latest posts.
Okay.
https://tv/accessiblecomputing. Enter. Hello everyone. Enter. Greetings from Enable India. Are you looking at getting ready for employment?
Okay, so employability course. For this course, you need to you need to follow the same trick or same criteria. I mean, minimum qualification is graduation, okay, and you have to know the basic knowledge of computer, okay. So as course is online, so you have a laptop or desktop with good internet connection. And how to apply? So let me switch to, I mean, let me turn on the links.
Links. Click here to apply. 2 of 2.
Yes, so click here to apply. Here just you need to click and you will reach the Microsoft forms where you have to fill up the forms and you can apply easily. So these are the two major training programs or courses will happen soon. So I think this video is very important, so that's why I was just shared with you. So friends, I have not edited this video as well. You may get some noise or you may get some other distractions. So I think this video, the topic is important, so that's why I am going to upload the video as it is, okay. So thank you for watching this video. And if you don't want to get the update, I mean, if you want to get the update very fast, so please join our official Telegram channel. You may search on Telegram, or I have shared the link into a description below, okay. So this is for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care. This is Ratul signing off.